I am so sorry that I have been away for like a month, and I know it's been a difficult time for all of you and for me as well. I've been contemplating a lot and thinking about what do I want to do with life. And so I wanted to take some time off, slow down, really think about it. But now I'm back, and of course, this is one of the things that really interests me. I love to show you around, I love to meet you virtually through these videos, and I'm so happy to be able to share all of this with you. And the fact that I realized that I'm doing this more for myself because I enjoy it, and in all of that, I'm so happy that you are also enjoying it. So today, I thought let me go out. It's a beautiful sunny day. It has been snowing like crazy, and as you can see, there's like so much snow around. Um, Let me take you through this creek called Taylor Creek. It was named after a couple of families, Taylor and Massey families, who have strong ties to this place. And we have like a lot of creeks in Toronto. It has a beautiful stream and two different paths you can walk on. One is very like a formal pakka path, which is like made of, which has a proper road, etc. And the other one is a, it's more of a kacha path where you can just walk around, jog, and experience the beauty of nature. So here I am taking you through this creek. Watch this video for a quick trail walk and see what the nature has to offer, see what these woods have to offer. I hope you enjoy it. This is here we are. This is where we are today, and this is where I'm taking you. And of course, how can we forget the most important guidelines? So even in the creek, we need to stay apart, do our part. Right now, I'm walking through the made-up path. Has a proper road, and you can walk around. You can see the path here, and yeah, it has snowed so much. The entire park used to be green like anything, and now it's completely white, which is nice. And amidst this, as you can see, the stream of water flowing through, and partially frozen stream of water. And so the creek has a couple of picnic spots, and you can see this one is particularly covered with snow. All you can see is snow. In the middle of the creek, right, a lot of these bridges have been built to connect the built up path and the rocky path. And just right above the stream, these bridges have been built, and there are a lot of them. It is a long creek and connects a lot of places, has multiple exits and entry points. So I just crossed the bridge to take the path, which is supposed to be a path with sand and rocks, but of course you can't see anything right now because it is snowed so badly. Standing next to the water creek, it is so peaceful. It is cold, of course, but the sun makes it so much better. I look at the water sometimes and I think it just flows so freely now. I wish all of us could also, and we just need to flow freely, just wear those earbuds, not listen to the world, and just do whatever we like. And right in the middle of the snow, you see this, a relatively green one standing tall right there. You know who that is? This tree. Who is this tree? This is you. Amidst this common world, you are one unique individual, and I hope you realize that. Do you see the transition? This is completely frozen, and this is not. The best part about winters here is that, of course, it is snowing and it snows, but all these creeks you can really witness the inside and depth of it, because when it is summers and autumn now, everything is filled up, like it's all green, and the trees have life, of course, and so you can't really enter this portion of the area. If you see behind me, you can't enter this because it is completely full. And now that it is snowed, it's all like clear, so it's like brought down everything in a way, and so it's not very hard to enter the woods, if I may call it. Approaching another bridge which connects the man-made built-up path to the rocky sandy path, and here's my frozen stream that comes along with me. You know, this stream reminds me of people in my life. Like, as I'm walking, the stream is flowing right beside me. It's there, it's just right there for me, right next to me. And I'm sure a lot of you, all of us, have such people in our life who are constantly beside you no matter what. So I hope you're cherishing them and paying a lot of gratitude to them wherever they are. Because they will be always with you. You see them, you don't see them. They're always there for you. And this stream is like reminding me of them for some reason. If you're watching this video for the first time, and any of my videos for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is right below, it's in red color, just click on it. And if you're not new, welcome back. Oh my god, I was about to slip. This is what happens after the snow melts. It becomes ice, and then you can end up slipping. This is a very risky place to be in. Oh, okay, yep, crossed it. And this is a very common thing that you see. A lot of these creeks have these nice log houses made. It's so beautiful. I'll show you up close. This is the entrance of the log house, and let me show you zoomed out. So nice. And you find these various signs. So and the creek has these cute little benches where you can sit and just chat and spend the entire day. Especially in summers, it is so nice. You can just sit there, chat, eat, whatever you want to do. Of course, don't make a mess out of it. But it's so nice. And in the winters, not really the snow winters, just sit here and soak the sun. It is such a peaceful feeling. It is such a peaceful place. And you're just surrounded by nature and the sounds of it. The water flowing next to you, the wind blowing, the sun coming to you, a couple of course, crickets and birds chirping in some weathers. It's really peaceful and nice to be here. So Taylor Creek is a recreational trail and no winter maintenance is done here. And it's more like use it at your own risk. And now I'm walking towards my favorite part of this trail. It's a small lake within the trail, and I will show that to you in its full form. Completely frozen. Okay, guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the trail walk that I may call it. See you next time.